My name is Joe McDaid. I'm currently studying a HND in Sports and Exercise Science at North Hertfordshire College. The title of this unit is Exercise Physiology. During aerobic exercise, our three physiological systems will react in different ways compared to anaerobic exercise. For example, in aerobic exercise, the muscles work for a long period of time and will require a high demand of oxygen. Therefore, heart rate will increase so oxygen-rich blood can reach the working muscles and provide them with the required amount of oxygen. However, in anaerobic exercise, this is not the case. Muscles do not require the high amount of oxygen, so heart rate will not increase as much. This is the same with breathing rate. In addition to this, if the heart rate increases, it will therefore increase stroke volume. Stroke volume is the amount of blood in litres that the heart can pump in one beat. Chronically, this will strengthen the heart's walls and the size of the heart will increase, so as you get fitter, it can reach the high demands of oxygen that you require to the muscles. The fitter we get, the more our muscles and major organs will require oxygenated blood during exercise. In contrast to this, during anaerobic exercise, your heart will not grow as much as your body does not need the high level of oxygen that aerobic exercise needs. This will also affect the respiratory system. During aerobic exercise, the respiratory system is used a lot more, as the tubes that allow inhalation and exhalation, as well as the lungs, are used a lot more than they are during anaerobic exercise, due to an increase in the oxygen intake and carbon dioxide outtake, which is breathing rate. Two of the main roles of the respiratory system are to provide oxygen to the tissue via the lungs and to eliminate carbon dioxide from the body via the lungs. This process will also be more recurring during aerobic exercise compared to anaerobic exercise. Strength training will allow muscle mass and muscle strength to increase. This is done by the muscles having microscopic tears when lifting weights. These tears will heal bigger and stronger, and over a period of time, your muscle mass and muscle strength will grow. This is not the same with aerobic activity. Aerobic activity will not increase skeletal muscle mass, but will increase cardiac muscle mass, such as the heart, as mentioned before.